Let's run the starter project using the make command. First, we need to build the starter project. For this, first you have to be in your project's root directory. Let's write cd, then the tilde sign, then / workspace, then inside workspace, clang session1. Then to build the starter project, you just have to write make using the make command and just hit enter. In some short time, this command will build the starter project for you. Now to run this build, just write make and then give it a space and write run command and just hit enter, and it will start a small development server for you, a simple browser. And if you want, you can click on the port button. Then inside this port tab, there is one open in browser button. You can click on it and it will open the starter project for you in a web browser. Now let's again come to the terminal. Click on the terminal and you can use Ctrl+C keyboard shortcut to terminate the mini web development server process. Now sometimes you can use make clean command to fix some build errors occasionally, because it will clean up the build cache file. Now just write make and then clean. This command will clean the build folder for you.